that's the sight that never gets old. How incredible is this? Thank you all so much. Keep your cameras up and ready. I'm going to point out some of our fellow birds out here. We have Carmen and Margot. Carmen's a scarlet macaw. Margot's a military. We have Nimbus, the dark blue macaw over there. He's a hyacinth macaw. That is the largest flighted parrot species, fun fact. Keep your cameras up and ready. Although our birds came in quick, they're going to head out as they do what they do best, and that's when they take flight. There they go! Amazing! Thank you all so much for joining us for Winged Encounters. We'll be back at 1:15. We hope to see you again soon. If you have any questions, come on by. We would love to chat with you. But until then, we hope you all have a safe and happy holidays here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. See you later, everyone.
Thank you for joining us for Winged Encounters. Remember, together we can help ensure amazing sights like these remain in wild places for many generations to come. Enjoy the rest of your adventures here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.